Namaskar. My name is Manali. I am the founder of Divine Mind Temple, and basically, professionally, I am a aesthetician, a dietitian, a hypnotherapist, and a healer. So today, my students are going to tell you about 7 chakras. 7 chakras are present in our body. They will tell you in details about how to activate the chakra, the placement of the chakra, how we can increase our aura through this chakra, and we can remove us from all the diseases that are because of this chakra. So to increase our physical, mental, spiritual, emotional health, if we activate this chakra in our body, then you will connect yourself with the divine supreme energy. Now you will see how the small kids, they are very small, but they are so pure, they are so divine, and those angels will tell you about each and every chakra in detail. I hope you will enjoy this session. So thank you so much. Now I would like to request Oshin to tell the base chakra, the first main chakra, that is the root chakra, Muladhara chakra. I would like to invite Oshin. She will going to tell you in detail about this chakra, and remember, this is the very important chakra in our body.
Namaste, my name is Oshin and I am studying in 9th standard. Oshin means peace or Shanti, and if you want Shanti, that is the power of silence, you need to activate your root chakra, that is also known as Muladhara chakra in Hindi. Muladhara chakra actually is the ability and gives you the ability to stay down to earth, that is down to earth, and you have to be down to earth by your heart and by your mind and by your Muladhara chakra. Actually, Muladhara chakra's location is at the baseline of your spinal cord, and this also indicates you to be down to the earth. The color of Muladhara chakra or root chakra is red color. Red color shows you power, and the power of silence and the power of your body. So if you have to be powerful, activate your root chakra. And how to activate your root chakra? Just eat apples, beetroots, and all the red vegetables. And if you chant Lam in the morning or when you go to the bed, simply you will activate your root chakra, that is your Muladhara chakra. Thank you.
Now to represent the second important chakra in our body, that is above the Muladhara chakra, root chakra, is the sacral chakra. In Hindi it is also known as the Swadhisthana chakra. For that, I would like to invite the divine angel Parv, who will explain the importance of the sacral chakra. And if we activate this chakra, you will become pure. And the basic color of this chakra is orange color. You can easily remove negativity from yourself. So I was telling you about the sacral chakra and its importance. So to become pure, just like Rama, you have to kill the Ravan, which is the sacral chakra. If you will activate your sacral chakra, you will become divine like Rama. So the Kam, Krodh, Moh, Lobh, all these evils are present in our body. So when we remove all this from our body, then you will become pure with this Swadhisthana chakra.
Namaste. I, Parv Saxena, from 6th standard. My name means a special festival. So just like a special festival, I will tell you about a special chakra. Sacral chakra. Its Sanskrit name is Swadhisthana chakra. It is present in 2 inch below navel and within. It is in orange color and its mantra is Vam. Its negative sides are impurity, to think negative, and weakness. And its positive sides are purity, think positive, and immunity. Uh, this chakra is connected to our mom. We have to improve this chakra by eating pumpkins, nuts, seeds, carrot, and oranges. Thank you.
Now, my another divine angel, the holy divine angel Katyayani will come, and she will tell you about the solar plexus chakra, that is the Manipur chakra in Hindi it is called as. She will tell you about its importance. If you are obese, then with this chakra you can dissolve your fats too. So it is also a very important chakra. It denotes the happiness in your body. Yellow color, you can charge your food also. Just simply what technique you can do is like that. When you are just about to have your food, just with the healing vibration of yellow color, you have to charge your food and then you have to eat. Then the proper digestion of food will be there in your body. So it is very important chakra for diabetic patient also. And yellow color, it is a color of devtas and devis, so it is very important and auspicious color.
Namaskar everybody, I am Katyani Rathore and the name Katyani means goddess, and today to turn ourselves into god and goddess I am here to tell you about the main chakra, that is Manipura chakra, and it's also known as navel chakra. It is yellow in color. It is represented by the red triangle in the downwards with the in yellow circle with blue 10 petals. If this chakra is not activated in our body, we may get problems like acidity, obesity, fear, aggression, lack of confidence, lack of fear, lack of powerlessness, and blood and sugar imbalance. To activate this chakra, we have to chant its mantra Ram on daily basis. We can plant tulsi in our homes, and we can deep breathe, and this deep breathing is one of the best options than others. We can eat lentils, corn, bananas, yellow peppers, and these all things are easily available in market. Please make these chakra activated to get rid of all these negative problems. Thank you.
Now, I would like to invite the loving angel Kashvi to tell you about the love chakra, that is the heart chakra, that is in Hindi it is also known as Anahat chakra. So, it is green in color. And if you want to give love, then you have to activate this chakra, because love is very important in your life. So if you want to be loving, caring, you have to activate this chakra. The most important for this chakra I would like to tell you is that you just forgive all the souls which you want to, or if you don't want to say physical sorry to them, so what you can do is just immerse the soul in front of you and just forgive them. And you can also do a vice versa. You can also say sorry to them, and you can immerse them and they are asking for sorry to you. So both things you can do, and in this way your heart chakra will get activated. And with lots of green vegetable you can activate it with that humming sound also, with the young ucharan. And one thing I would like to add in this is if you are facing very negative thoughts are coming in your mind, then with the ucharan and something like any fight is going there, so with the ucharan of yum, so you will feel very relaxed. And for kids, if they are very negativity they are facing, or if adults are there and they are also facing very negativity, suicidal thoughts are coming into your mind, so just to activate it, For instance, you have to eat chocolates or cocoa powder. Kids can eat chocolates, but remember it should be a dark chocolate. And adults can eat cocoa powder. So immediately their mood will change, endorphins will release. Endorphin is a hormone which is responsible for happiness. It will create happiness in your body. So you can have chocolates and cocoa powder. But remember, it should be a bitter, dark chocolate it should be. And one thing I would like to add, if your thoughts, if you feel very during Purnima and Amavas, some people faces the problem of like the thoughts are becoming very like chanchal kind of like, you know, in Hindi it is said that कि बहुत चंचल मन रहता है मेरा और मन लगता कहीं नहीं है. So for that you can, what you can all do is just place a Chandrama, a photo of Chandrama. You can place on your wall and just you have to see it for 2 to 3 minutes and you will feel the vibration.
Namaskar. I'm Kashvi Upadhyay and the meaning of my name is shine. And if you want to shine your life, you have to activate your heart chakra. And for information, its ability is to love. And its location is directly above your heart. And its color is green in color. And its green in color. And its mantra is Yum. And its positive sides are loving and caring, and its negative sides are hate and carelessness. And for activating it, you have to eat green vegetables. Thanks.
Now I would like to invite the divine, the very pretty angel Gargi to give information about the Vishuddhi chakra, that is the throat chakra, which is sky blue in color. It is associated with the communication skills. If you want to improve your communication skill, you should activate this chakra. Then and many things are there like by which you can activate this chakra. So I would like to invite the pretty angel Gargi.
Namaskar, I am Gargi Saxena and the meaning of Gargi is intelligent. I am telling you about throat chakra, means Vishuddha chakra, and its place in neck. Its color is light blue, and if we have to activate this, we have to eat like blueberries, blue raspberries, figs, etc. And its month is Hum. Communication and expression. And since negative sides are sound problem, speech problem, cancer, and only this. Thank you.
Now the very important chakra for all the student and kids, which should be activated during their student life, is that is the chakra known as Agya chakra, and it is also known as the brow chakra because it is located in between our eyebrows. And if you will activate it, tremendous power you can see in your kids, because it is associated with the knowledge. Its color is dark blue in color. So I would like to request to all the parents that maximum blue color should be placed in their children's room. Like they can put bed sheets or they can use maximum blue color, so that the blue color frequency is very good for students. So they can use maximum of it to get benefited by this Agya chakra. And intuition power, they can see it enhances a lot by activating this chakra. Now, I would like to invite the very little among all the divine angels, the Parth, the sweet and little angel Parth will come and tell you about the Agya Chakra, the very important chakra for knowledge, wisdom, intuition. So welcome little angel Parth.
My name is Parth Rado. The Parth name means is happiness. So I am going to tell you about the main chakra, the third eye chakra. We can also tell the Broad chakra. Its location is between our eyebrows. Its color is dark blue. We can also increase our knowledge, memory, and concentration. And if we have a problem like the poor memory, confusions and less focus. If we have to active the chakra, we have to chant Om on daily basis. Thank you.
Now the very important chakra, for that no angel is there, so I would like to tell you about the Sahasrara chakra, which is personally my favorite chakra. When all the chakras get activated in your body, then the last chakra, Sahasrara chakra, that symbolizes of thousands of petals like a lotus flower. It's situated in the crown. That's why it is known as crown chakra. It is in the head. So if you want to become spiritual, if you want to connect with the divine supreme energy, if you want to connect with the universe, if you want your spiritual growth, then you have to activate your Sahasrara chakra, that is the crown chakra. Its color is purple or lavender, violet color basically it is, and the characteristics of it is bliss. When it is get activated, you will feel very blissful. You know the opposite of bliss, that is the Anand. It is not there. You can search in dictionary also, in Google also. You won't find the opposite of Ananda. Ananda is a feeling you will feel internally. It is known as the Ati Indriya Sukh, which you will get when you are activated by this chakra. So you might have seen all the sages, sadhu, sants, sannyasis. They are in a different kind of mudra because of this Sahasrara chakra. So it connects you to the God directly, and if you want to activate, first you activate all your chakras, then only you can reach till Sahasrara chakra. And daily with deep breathing exercises, connecting with nature, and being pure, divine and pure, you can activate it very well. I hope you all have enjoyed our session, and you will get information from all these little students who are very divine and very pure angels. And thank you so much.